In this video, I am going to explain you iPhone need to cool down before you can use it. You can see you can't take any calls. You have to face some issue. You can see temperature. iPhone need to cool down before you can use it. You can't do anything. You can't get any call. First of all, carefully remove motherboard of your iPhone just like this. You can disconnect some connectors just like this. It is very smooth process. And you can identify some ash color or silver color IC here. You can see some square IC. It is your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi IC. Most time this error happening due to the issue of this IC. It means some voltage leakage or any circuit sparking or any other leakage damage. I hope to remove this IC using hot gun. It is very smooth process. Be careful before doing this, and you can smoothly remove this using proper hot gun. It is very simple process. You can do it just like this. This is very smooth process. You can see it is removing, and you can reinstall new one. It is very simple process. After completion of that, it is very simple to identify some leakage point. Now you can install motherboard just like this. It is very simple. You can connect previously removed ribbons just like this. You can attach your motherboard just like this. It is very simple process. Be careful, and you have to take some time for this. You can attach your motherboard, circuit board very well just like this. If you are unable to do this, please wait several times and you can see this video repeatedly just like this. Now some ribbons are here. You can see you can connect such ribbons just like this. After completion of this, it is very essential to attach display just like this. Now I hope to show you something after completion of this, because sometimes in this video you can see there are no battery. I hope to charge that. This may take several seconds because you can see Apple logo is loading. Now I hope to show you something, because this error is not showing again after replacement of that IC. Because this is a physical error. I hope to get some calls. You can see here, this is emergency call. You can see nothing happening. You can see it.